Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make refreshing cucumber salad. Hope you like it. Cucumber symbolizes the continuation of family lineage and symbolizes the prosperity of descendants, a flourishing career, and rapid success. Ingredients: cucumber, onion. Wash the cucumber skin clean. One way is to rub the skin with salt and then wash it with clean water. Another method is to put an appropriate amount of 30-degree warm water into a basin. Then put baking soda salt into the basin and stir evenly. After soaking the cucumber for 10 minutes, wash the cucumber with boiled water and set aside. The third method to wash cucumbers is to put the cucumbers, rice washing water, and salt into a basin. Then stir the water evenly. Then soak the cucumbers for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash the cucumbers with boiled water and set aside. Optional to peel the cucumber skin, slices it and set aside. You may also cut cucumber into half and remove cucumber seeds. I followed the recipe on the internet, so I also used salt to remove water from the cucumber. After finishing, I found that salt can easily make the base taste too salty, and the water is greatly removed, resulting in a less crisp taste. So when editing the video, I found the chef's introduction to the correct method of pickling cucumbers, which can moderately remove the water in the cucumbers and keep them crisp. Just stir it evenly and set it aside to marinate for half an hour. After the cucumbers are pickled, pour in boiled water and wash the cucumbers to remove the sugar solution. Then squeeze the cucumbers dry and put them in a large bowl. You can also prepare a piece of gauze and wrap the cucumber to squeeze out the water inside. Add shredded onion, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon Thai chili powder, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix all ingredients together. Place cucumber into container and fridge for an hour to absorb flavor. Cucumber salad is ready to be served. You can eat it directly, but I think it tastes better after pickling. The cucumber is cool and appetizing. A bowl of refreshing cucumber is really a perfect to go on a hot day. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Cucumber is a common vegetable on the table. It is very popular, especially among female friends, for its nutrition and low price. Cucumber flesh is crisp, sweet and juicy, fragrant and delicious. It contains gelatin, fruit acid and bioactive enzymes, which can promote body metabolism and treat sunburn, freckles and skin allergies. Cucumbers can also clear away heat and promote diuresis and prevent constipation. The succinic acid contained in fresh cucumbers can effectively inhibit the conversion of sugars into fat. Therefore, eating cucumbers regularly is very beneficial for weight loss and prevention of coronary heart disease. It is an inappropriate combination of cucumber and peanuts as a refreshing cold dish, because these two foods may cause diarrhea. It may not be a problem for those who have excellent gastrointestinal function, but for those who have poor gastrointestinal function, it is best not to eat them together. And even if you eat them together, it is best not to eat too much. It is not advisable to apply cucumber slices directly on the face, because the surface of the freshly cut cucumber slices will produce a dewy and sticky substance, which can easily make the skin tight and make the skin more dry and wrinkled. The correct way is to apply cucumber juice. Before going to bed, take fresh cucumber juice, add milk and honey, mix well, apply on the face for about 20 minutes, and then wash it off. Cucumber and black fungus are good for detoxification and weight loss. The succinic acid in cucumber can inhibit the conversion of sugar in the body into fat, thereby achieving the effect of weight loss. Cucumber paired with tofu can detoxify, reduce inflammation, moisturize, and soothe the stomach. Tofu has the highest protein content among plant foods, and its protein is easily digested and absorbed by the human body, making it an ideal food for people with reduced gastrointestinal digestive function. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.